Lee, and I'm with the Buckle team, and this is my development manager, Kyle.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kyle.
And today we're going to be walking you through the social media marketing project. So, first of all, some background. Our sponsor is the Buckle. They are an American fashion retailer selling clothing, footwear, and accessories for men, women, and children. They are based out of Kearney, Nebraska, and they have about 400 stores across the U.S., ranging from mostly across the Midwest. Our stakeholders are Kevin Gray. He is the lead technical project manager in the IT department at the Buckle, and he has been our primary contact. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, we also interacted on a weekly basis with Callie Metz, who was the brand's communication manager at the Buckle, Ry Laurie, who is the senior developer of mobile applications in the IT department, and Hannah Robinson, who is a social media specialist also in their marketing department. As for the internal team, I've already introduced myself. I am Ryan Lee. I am the squad lead and product manager for the Buckle Senior Design Team, and I'm set to graduate in 2021 with a degree in software engineering. Kylie, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello. I'm Kyle. So I am the development manager, and I'm basically um here for solving the you know like technology problems. And I'm about to graduate in this semester. Yeah, it's 2020.
Okay. And then joining us alongside this team throughout the year were Olivia Ryan, who's also graduating with a degree in software engineering, uh, Aria Arome, a computer science major, graduating this May, Dennis Key, who's also graduating this year with a degree in computer engineering, and Jacob Ediger, who's set to graduate this December with a degree in computer science. As for our project management, we were joined by Jeremy Sewing, who's our project manager, and Dr. Jeffrey Falkenberg, who's the tribe lead for this team throughout the school year. And now I'm going to hand it off to Kyle to talk about the problem that we were tasked with solving by the Buckle.
Yeah. So as Ryan just mentioned, Buckle is a really big company, and they're having a lot of stores and um, like, and also they're doing some like uh, covering the clothing, footwears, and accessories for men, women, and children. So they do because of the diversity and the fashion of the goods. Buckle wants to give the latest and best information to all the customers. So they decide the mobile application, and we do agree the mobile application will be the best solution for this circumstance. Yeah.
Okay. And then as for the opportunity that arose with this application, we figured, why don't we streamline this process that the Buckle is facing? Why don't we have it so that the Buckle wants basically to generate the content for the stores and share in an organized manner, rather than have 400 different stores share 400 different kinds of materials. They wanted to um, create a shared user-friendly system to be deployed by their marketing department that would aggregate these posts all in one place and then be able to share them down through this application at a very fast rate and very easily. So, as for some value and highlights, like I just spoke on, our team throughout the course of the year created a data warehouse of sorts for these Buckle marketing posts, as you can see in the image to the right. So these marketing posts are now easily accessible for Buckle administrators and easily interface with our Swift application. So basically how it works is a Buckle administrator will go onto the Drupal content management system in our backend and create a brand new marketing post, giving it an internal description that will basically tell a marketing employee what the purpose of this post is, an external description as the default description, as you can see right here, for what's going to be shared to social media, a valid date range so that the post will expire after a set amount of time, and a couple more other fields. You can also see that there is a button to like this post meant for Buckle employees to like and interact with their favorite marketing posts at the time, and also send in comments to um, share their thoughts on a current promotion that they're facing. All of these categories are also broken down by categories, as you can see right here. These two sweaters belong to the men's category, and that's how our feed is organized once all the data is pulled from our content managing system. And now I'm going to hand it back to Kaiwei to talk about some other values and highlights from our time spent working on this project in the last year.
Yeah. So, just keep on what Ryan just mentioned. Like, there's a lot of category roles, and we lined up with this roles like in one horizontal scroll, and we'll list all the categories within the vertical scroll. And like if you want to add something new, a new category or a new title for a new product, you just create a new category, and that thing will be like real time updated into our application. So, streamlined social media sharing capabilities. We are actually working, or like the last step that we were solving in our application is we need to share all the promotions and posts to the big social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like Reddit, a lot of those. And in our promotion, and this application is for employees, so they can use the application to see all the promotions like really easily, and they can and there will be internal description and external description. So the internal description in a specific promotion, it will tell the purpose of this promotion to employee, and the employee can choose to share the external description that is meant to be catching the eyes from the customers by sharing the post on the social media platforms. Yes, and also we are managing this project by two parts, which one is content management system, which is Drupal. Drupal is a really powerful CMS, and it can provide a lot of APIs and third party add-ons that you can manage your CMS better. And the bridge between the Swift UI, the Swift and the CMS, that will be an API we call the REST UI, and the REST UI can communicate both sides with a descript link or HTML title header. And also we are using Swift UI. The Swift UI is the latest language that be just invented like last year. And for the stability, we choose to combine Swift UI and UI kit together to provide its fastness and the stableness, and also the documentation that we provide a lot of documentation to our the comments and the brief explanation of what are we doing, like those of things. So what we've learned, for the develop management aspect, I do think learning a new language and learning all the new stuff is really fun. Like we started with the Swift UI, and also this is also the first time I see the Zen Hub. Like a lot of tools that we've been using will give us a really good inspiration to our next or future job seeking, or actually the working field. So I do appreciate that the senior design team and the buckle team can provide this kind of like precious opportunity to our team, and we also like getting sharper and sharper of our technology coding style, the task management that we like how to distribute every one's like work and tasks. That is really important. And how do you manage the atmosphere like between teammates? How do you like a lot of things we've learned, and that's a really really good opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Yes, thanks to our time spent with senior design, we picked up a lot of really necessary engineering soft skills before we transition into an industry position in the near future. We also got a lot of emphasis in the world of mobile development with iOS, specifically with Swift, and we're thankful for the opportunity that senior design provided us to take on this project and learn not only these technical skills, but all these soft skills to help prepare us better for our future. And with that, that is the end of our showcase presentation. Thank you guys for joining us, and have a good day.
Have a good day.